we have here first your Hell's Chain. Okay, so that's the Hell's Chain. So they have the Hell's Chain right here. Next, we have the Dragon Dagger right here. And very nice. But yeah, it's a bootleg. And then we have the Lion Claw right here. I already have it on its Bandai. Bandai. It said Bandai, but in Takara Tomy rather. So the original one. But yeah, I still love to have its counterpart, which is the fake one. Like that. So we have here, it's like a viper. I think it's a viper. Yeah, it's not a cobra. I don't know. But yeah, it's like that. Like that's animals. It also ripcord or a string cord for the Beyblade. What's that? Metal Fusion. Yeah. Next, I bought this launcher also, which it's the same with my